Hello, Amanda Shrishma here, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a home DIY redecorating situation. I have this desk and I work from home right now and I love it so much. I recently got this job earlier this year and I wasn't really set up to work from home, and so I just kind of changed my little tiny dining table into a desk, and I decided to face it out, and it looked stupid. I know it looks stupid, but I was looking up like feng shui stuff, you know, I was into that at that time, and it was like face your desk out so you have more growth in your career and all that, and I was like, that sounds really cool. So I'm facing like my freaking like little tea cart and water cart, and it just took up a way too much space and it looked really messy, and it's just time to change that. I found this Pinterest photo and this is my inspiration for what I want to do, but I'm not gonna buy anything new. Your girl is balling on a budget right now, and I don't want to buy like a basic desk just because it's cheap. I want to research and actually find a really nice standing, like going up and down type desk I like, and I love the color, like the light. I'm a light wood type girl, so I'm trying to find something that goes with that, and so I don't want to just splurge on it just because I want to remodel right now. So we're gonna still use the same little tiny desk. I actually did a YouTube review where I got this little desk. It's inexpensive if you're looking for like a little desk or like a small kind of long dining table. I'll link it for you guys. I mean, it's lasted a very long time and I haven't had any issues. So the only items I'll be buying from this video are two floating shelves, and they're from IKEA, and I feel like the floating shelves will make a huge difference, and also just moving the table into the middle will create some space for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this because I'm so excited. I have the final vision in my head, okay? I have it and I'm ready. This was my first day ever using a drill, and I borrowed it from my brother, and I felt so freaking cool. The only thing is when I was putting in the shelf, I had it leveled, right? And then when I went to do it again and I rebalanced, it was not level, so I had to take out one and re-level it. Anyway, it's done, and I'm so happy I did that. You guys, it's done. I'm so happy. It looks so girly and neat and just aesthetic in a good work environment for me. I'm so happy, and it's kind of like the low budget version of that Pinterest inspo I had, but you know what that is? If we're just manifesting that, like, I'm gonna have that vibe one day soon. I love the floating shelves. I feel like if you're not sure what to do and you have too many photos like on the walls, add some floating shelves and just add some knickknacks on there. We all have knickknacks lying around. Even like my camera, I have like the DSLR camera, that can be a knickknack you add and just have it up as decor, you know what I mean? And like I put my pens and stuff because it was just a cute vibe, and it's also useful because it clears up space off the desk. So I don't know, I'm just so proud of myself that my vision came true. If you enjoyed this little redecorating video, please let me know. If you have any questions on where items are from, let me know. The ceramic vase that I put at the top, I'll link that below. It's from Amazon. Of course, I told you the desk, it's from Amazon. So anything else, let me know. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I would super appreciate that. And I'm gonna go sit at my cute little neat desk now. Bye.